wow, am I praying? Wow. Alright, hey guys. For today's video, I'm going to do something a bit different than what I normally do, and it's a challenge video. Something that I believe I made up. I think I made this challenge. I'm not sure. If I didn't, then you know that's just how it goes. If I did, then cool. But yeah, for today's challenge, what I believe that I created is it's called the emoji challenge, and the point of it is that I'm going to try and create my own emoji. 5 because you know, like, that's a lot to really work with. But yeah, now it's kind of gonna be like a game kind of thing where if I create an emoji that's actually original, I get a point. If not, you guys get a point. I'm gonna probably put that on the screen somewhere. I'm probably even gonna put like an emoji thing right there saying that it's the emoji challenge, but that's all if I actually end up getting around to do it. So yeah, now how exactly this works, I'm gonna be here. You're gonna see the board, not my face, don't worry, so you don't have to get bored. Ha. Anyways, now you're gonna see the surface, and I'm gonna be drawing and creating 5 emojis. But if any of those emojis are too similar to actual emojis, then that wow, am I praying? Wow. To actual emojis, then that means that you guys get a point. If it's original, then I get the point. Now that I think that I've already confused you enough, let me just start the competition. Wow, let me just start the challenge real quick. Alright, wait, is it even right? Okay, cool. Yeah, so for this now, this is gonna be pretty hard because you know you have so many emojis out there already. Now, firstly, just to give myself a point real quick, because I know this emoji is not already out there, right? Crap, I don't even know what to do. Wow, I should have probably set like a timer on this. Wow, next time I do this challenge, I'm gonna set a timer. That way I don't have too much time to think on this stuff. Alright, so what feelings do you not already have in an emoji? Alright, and I can't cross check, so I can't know. Alright, you have foods as emojis. Oh, alright, cool. Now, emojis are supposed to be simple, so you know you can't put too much detail in them, which is the amazing thing, right? You can't put too much detail, which means that I don't need to do this too well. Yes, Romer, yes, you win. Alright. Alright. Let me just ink that in real quick. Yes, because emojis actually do have lines around them, like very thin ones, but yeah, just trying to respect all the things that emojis normally have and trying to implicate that in my stuff. Alright. Alright. You know, I'm just gonna color these like after, like just drop in color, because you know emojis actually have like really cool like coloring on them and have details, and yeah, although some of them are really annoying, but like yeah, they actually have like details now, so I actually have to put effort in the coloring, sadly. Alright, so that's a patty right there. Because you know I've never seen a patty emoji in my entire life, so yeah. What else? What other emojis don't they have? Or what do I think they don't have? Alright, so they also have emojis that look like occupations and stuff like that. So if they have emojis that look like occupations, why don't they have like the right occupations, like real occupations? Because I know there are some occupations that emojis don't have, and I'm gonna do that one right here. And I can't make it too large because you know emojis aren't large, so you have to make them actually really small. And I don't know how to draw that girl emoji because I can't remember how that emoji looks, crap. But yeah, Okay. No. I should probably get references for this, but no. Independent thinking all the way. This looks so wrong. This looks so wrong in so many ways. I'm sorry. But yeah, it had to be done. Like, I don't think there's an emoji for this yet. So, alright, let me just give that classic emoji here. Red lip classic, thing that you like. Alright, yeah, I'm sorry. That just popped into my mind a while ago when I said classic. Will I edit that out, by the way? Like, I'm just thinking about that now. Like, am I going to edit that out? Alright. I should probably just, like, stop talking and leave you guys with music or something, but yeah. So hey guys, your points are going to be, alright, if this is the left side, I'm going to keep mine on the left. So these are my points right here, and these are going to be your points. Now, here they are again, up close. I'm not sure if, okay, yeah, I can actually see that you're seeing them. And for those of you who don't know what this is, what is it? This, if you use WhatsApp, you'll know that, like, it allows you to have different colors for each character emoji in a sense. So yeah, now this is my patty emoji right here, and you can't even see the word patty because it's always backwards. Wow. This is my stripper / pole dancer emoji. This is my left-handed emoji, my Aki emoji, and my confused emoji. And yes, yeah. Now, crap, why didn't I plan it properly? Give me one moment. Alright, so I stole a phone, right? Yeah, I'm kidding, I didn't really steal a phone, but I'm just trying to... Don't look at my background, hold on. Okay, you're seeing too much background already. Yeah. Now, how will I know if this exists, right? I'm going to search it right here on the spot. I'm going to search every emoji that I just drew based on the name that I wrote underneath them. And yeah, gosh, it's hot. Alright, so first up is the patty emoji. Alright. Let's see if Google has this. Alright, excellent. 1 point for me right there, because it doesn't exist. Excellent, because apparently you guys refer to patty as just like a burger. Wow, that's so different. Wow, okay. Now patty is like oh yeah, the meat inside is supposed to be called, I think that's what they call a patty as well, don't they? Anyways, wow. I'm sad, aren't I? Alright, so now I'm gonna work with these stripper emoji. I want to see if that exists, because if that's oh my gosh, that exists. The hell? That's a thing? Wait, pause. That's probably like not real. Yeah, it's probably not real. But pause. Oh my god, Kim Kardashian has stripper emojis. That's why. Wow. Wow. I thought it was original. Wow. Okay. Fine. Left hand emoji. Let's see if that's a thing, because I've never seen one in my entire life. I've never seen a left-handed emoji in my entire life. Alright, so like I'm seeing a few, right? Well, not really a few, just one actually. And like a point, but I'm going to keep that point for myself because it looks like somebody else made it. Like someone just got bored and did the exact same thing that I'm doing right here. Or they probably just flipped the actual emoji, really? So cheesy. That's lame. What if you almost made me lose points a while ago? Alright, so far I have 2 points right there. Why did I pick up a pen? Ooh, it's a sepia one. Anyways. Now let's look for an Aki emoji. I'm very sure that I got that point for that. Because there is no part of me that believes that there is such a thing as an Aki emoji. But you know, the world is random, so. Alright, cool, it's not a thing because all they have is just like actual food. See, excellent. Why didn't I show you all the emojis? You know, I'm gonna like put a picture on the screen. I'll try to remember to do that. And now the last one, I don't really need to search this because I know it already exists. So I actually just did it in case you guys didn't get that point. Because I'm that concerned for you guys. I want you guys to win. I want you guys to actually have like 1 point. So yeah. Alright, so that was confused. Okay. Confused. Yeah, confused emoji. Wow, just predicted that. But I just have to look at it to make sure exactly. Because I know mine doesn't look like this. I'm very sure mine looks nothing like this. Yeah. Alright, there's one kind of similar to mine, like with the raised eyebrow. Alright, so in the end, you know what? Alright, I'm gonna split one of my points. So I have 2.5 and you guys have 2.5. Yeah. See? We all win. We're all winners. Yay! Anyways. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys actually liked it, and I'm going to see if I can make more videos like this if you do like it. And if not, I'm probably still gonna make them until I realize that no one actually likes them at all. And yeah, I'm gonna do a bit more challenge videos because those are kind of fun. I believe people actually like seeing challenge videos. So yeah, yeah, that's all for now, guys. Hope you have an awesome day, and yeah, later, guys. This is me just ending the video right here. Wow.